1.
Greetings, everyone. Well, here I am back in nature. And I'm finding that connecting to nature helps me connect to my true nature, which I have been finding myself going a bit off center as of late. Life comes along, and I'm aware that there are a lot of emotions that keep arising. There's the emotion of sadness and the feeling of loss and feelings of confusion and being in the future. And amidst it is also gratitude. So to carry it all is a lot in a life, and I think we're all carrying a lot in life these days. And so I thought, here I am, and as we were walking and I could feel myself connecting and returning back to center, I thought I'd invite you along with me. And so wherever you are, if you'd like, we can just stop. Feel yourself either standing where you are, your feet on the earth, your seat on your chair. And let's take 3 to 5 conscious breaths. You might begin with your eyes open to take in the beauty around you. And allow your eyes to softly close. Let the breath invite you to feel where you are in this body. And notice where the mind is, if it is in fact in any particular emotion. The joys and the woes. And then for the next few breaths, invite the exhale to lengthen just a little bit. And now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Allow a smile to come to your face. And notice the response to that. And gently bring your hands to your heart and an acknowledgement of your own awakened heart and true nature and each other. And gently let the eyes open. Namaste and Jai Bhagwan, my dear friends. Thank you for joining me. Just a few moments of that helps me feel back home, remembering who I am. So I wish you a wonderful day. My blessings to you.